Great morning, great afternoon, great evening. Welcome to today's online class with Michael. We're still on time. Yeah, let's do more things on time and see what we have for the day. Today we'll be looking at changing time from hours to minutes and vice versa. Yeah, because it's not every time that we will continue to tell time the way it is, or maybe we talk time only in hours, without minutes, or we talk time only in minutes, leaving hours. So today we'll see how we convert time from minutes to hours. So changing time from hours to minutes, minutes to seconds, hours to seconds, and vice versa requires conversion, time conversion. That word is supposed to be in capital letters, conversion of time, using the appropriate values. For example, convert 2 hours to minutes. Let's see how we can convert time. 240 minutes to hours, 45 minutes to seconds, 60 seconds to minutes, 3 hours to seconds, 18,000 seconds to hours. Let's see how that is done. The A says 2 hours to minutes. How do we convert 2 hours to minutes? We say, okay, since 60 minutes equals 1 hour, 2 hours times 60 gives us 120 minutes. That is how to convert 2 hours to minutes, because hour is big, minutes is small. So at that minute, it carries the bigger number than the hour that is small, that is big. So you multiply it by the number of the minutes that make 1 minute, that make 1 hour. Multiply it by the number of hours. It will give you the time in minutes. For example, just like 2 hours now to turn into minutes, we know that 2 hours, and we say 1 hour is 60 minutes. So we'll multiply that 60 by the 2 hours to give us 120, just gave us now. Now the second one says 240 minutes to hours. In this case, we divide, because the 240 is the time they told us that we have 240 minutes. We should convert it to hours. Since 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, we will divide 240 minutes by 60 minutes. That means 240 divided by 1 hour. And we know that 1 hour, so we can't divide them when we have not converted. Make sure that both the minutes, the one you are dividing and the one you are dividing by, they have the same units. Both of them will be in minutes or in seconds or in hours. If they are not, convert them to that same unit. So because this one, people will say 240 divided by 1 hour. People will start saying, what is 1 hour? That means 240 divided by 1 is 240 now. So we have to convert the 1 hour to minutes. So the 240 is in minutes, the 1 hour is also in minutes. So we say 240 divided by 60, which is equals to, the first zeros can cross themselves out. We have 24 divided by 6. 24 divided by 6 is 4. That means 240 minutes means 4 hours. Very simple. Then C says 45 minutes to seconds. 60 seconds makes 1 minute. That means we'll multiply this 45 minutes by 60 seconds. It will give us 2,700 seconds. That means 2,700 seconds make 45 minutes. Okay? This says 600 seconds to be converted to minutes. We know that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. That means 600 seconds divided by 60 seconds. Like I say, you must convert the time, even if it is from hours, convert it from hours to seconds, or convert it from minutes to seconds, so that both the divisor and the divisor must have the same unit. So 600 divided by 60 is 0 cancels 0. We have 60 divided by 6. 60 divided by 6 is 10. That means 600 seconds is equals to 10 minutes. Whenever you are converting the bigger one to the smaller one. When you're converting the bigger one to the smaller one, you divide. When you're converting the smaller one to the bigger one, you multiply. So number 5 says 3 hours to seconds. We know that seconds are always big, but hours, 3 hours is 3 is small. Seconds now will be very much big. Meanwhile, 3 hours is bigger than 3 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore, 3 hours is equal to 60 times 3, which is 180 minutes, because we are working with them to get hours. Now, 180 minutes times 60, converting back to hours, to seconds. 180 divided by 60 give us 10,800 seconds. That is how to convert hours to seconds. When you convert hours to seconds, you know that we have minutes and seconds. So 60 times 60 before you multiply it by the total number of hours. So 180 minutes times 60. You first of all convert your hours to minutes, convert it to minutes to seconds. Then you can use the 1 seconds multiply by how many seconds you have. It will give you your answer. So 180 seconds times 60 seconds give us 10,800 seconds. Then number 6 is 18,000 seconds to hours. In this case, we divide 18,000 to hours. Now, we know that an hour is 60 minutes. And this minute, we have to convert it to seconds because the 18,000 is in seconds. So we will convert the hours to minutes, then convert from minutes down to seconds. That's why we have 60 by 60, which is 3,600. 18,000 by 3,600 will give us the first two zeros crossed out themselves. What we have left is 180 divided by 36. If you divide 180 by 36, it will give you 5. That means 18,000 seconds is equal to 5 hours. Now, the second example says, let's change to minutes. 2 hours and 45 minutes. It's the same thing, but this one we add both seconds and minutes. But the other one we're just converting seconds to hours, seconds to minutes, minutes to seconds. But this one now we have hours and minutes together to be converted. Change 2 hours and 45 minutes. Change 6 hours and 15 minutes. That we should change it to. So now, first of all, we have to convert, just like I said earlier, convert all of them to the unit of the time. So the A says 2 hours plus 15 minutes is equal to 2 hours is equal to 120 minutes plus 45 minutes, because the 45 is in minutes, so we must convert hours to minutes so that all of them will take the same minutes. 2 hours will be converted to minutes because 45 is in minutes. So now we have 120 plus 45 give us 165 minutes. So 2 hours 45 minutes is 165 minutes. Also, we have 6 hours and 15 minutes. Converting 6 hours to minutes will give us 360 minutes plus 15 minutes. It now gives us 375 minutes. Conversion. So we have seen that. We see that at least if we can convert our time from minutes to seconds to minutes, minutes to hours, after all, 60 seconds make 1 minute, 60 minutes make 1 hour. So the conversion is not the one that will crack our head before we think of what to do. So let's just look at our evaluation questions and we'll solve them ourselves. Change 360 minutes to hours. Change 720 seconds to minutes. Change 12,000 seconds to hours. Then add 55 minutes and 85 minutes and convert to hours. So I know you can do this. Just do it well. Understand it. I wish you well. Take care of yourself. My name is Mr. Michael. Bye.